So the next question. A solid iron ball consists of a cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter 24 cm, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 cm and radius 8 cm. Find the mass of the ball given that 1 cm cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. And it is clearly mentioned in the question to use the value of pi as 3.14. If the value of pi is given, just apply this value, don't apply 22/7. Okay, so read the question again. A solid iron ball is there. Iron ball, what is the shape? It's in the shape of a cylinder. It is clearly mentioned in the question too. Its height is given. For the cylinder, the only nomenclatures are height and radius. Height is given. Instead of radius, diameter is given. So radius will be half of 24. And this cylinder is surmounted by another cylinder which is small in size, height is 60 cm and the radius is 8 cm. We have to find the mass of the ball. What is mass of the ball? If you are not able to identify what is mass, continue this question. Given that 1 centimeter cube stands for volume, isn't it? So what will be the mass? For 1 centimeter cube of iron, the mass is 8 gram. That means to calculate the mass, what we have to find is, we have to find the volume. And for 1 centimeter cube of volume, the mass is 8 grams. So if we are getting 12 centimeter cube as the volume, what will be the mass of the ball? It will be 12 into 8. Okay, so mass will be volume into mass per centimeter cube. Mass of the solid will be equal to mass into mass per volume into total volume. Okay, so now let this be one iron ball which is of height 220 cm and base diameter 24 cm. Next one, let this be of height 60 cm and the radius 8 cm. And in the question it is said that it is surmounted. Surmounted means one on top of the other. Okay, this will be the case. So there is a cylinder at the base and there is a cylinder at the top. And the question is to find the mass of the ball. I already mentioned that to find the mass of the ball, we have to find the volume of the ball. To find the volume of the ball, which all volume we have to calculate? We have to calculate the volume of the upper cylinder, which is small in size, and also the volume of the bottom cylinder, which is bigger in size. Okay, both are cylinders. Just calculate the volume separately and add it to get the total volume of the ball. Since both are volume. So for the big cylinder, height is given as 220 cm, radius is half of 24, which is 12 cm. And for the small cylinder, the height is given as 60 cm and the radius is given as 8 cm. Okay, so first we will calculate the volume of the pole. Volume of the pole will be equal to volume of big cylinder plus volume of small cylinder. That is pi r square capital H plus pi r square small h. Pi is common, isn't it? So we can write as r square h plus r square h. One is capital letter and the other one is small letter. Pi, it is given in the question to put the value as 3.14 into capital R square is 12 into 12. R is 12. Okay, into height is 220 plus small r is 8. So 8 square, which is 64, into height is 60. So this will be equal to 3.14 into 12 into 12 gives you 144. 144 into 220 gives you 31,680 plus 64 into 60 gives you 3,840. So sum it up. So 3.14 into sum of these two values is 35,520. Okay. And the product of 3.14 and 35,520 is 11,532.8. Since it is the volume and the radius, height, etc. are given in centimeter, its unit will be centimeter cube. The question was not to find the volume but to find the mass. So what do you have to do? Mass is equal to volume into mass per centimeter cube. Mass per centimeter cube is 8 grams. So volume into 8, that is 11,532.8 into 8 will give you the answer as 892262.4. Since the mass is given in gram, here also it is in gram. If I need to convert this into kilogram, what should I do? I should divide the number with the 1000. So I have to change the number 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. So what we are getting is 892.262 and the unit will be kilogram. Okay, 892.262 kilogram.